Hello friends, this is the board 20 inches TV. In this TV, the fuse is blown. This is the fuse connection and this is the main capacitor. Main capacitor point showing short. For that purpose, the fuse is blown. And I check the lines, and this is the horizontal output transistor. I think generally the main capacitor is not damaged, and I remove the horizontal output transistor connection. Then we check the board whether it is short or not. Okay, I put the paste and remove the lead in the transistor points. Okay, in this TV, the customer house, there is, see here, the meter is showing short. Okay, why it is showing short? Oh, see here, this is the connections are not separated from the board. Okay, now it is not giving short. See, here is it is showing, and another side it is not showing. Okay, now the transistor is shorted. Okay, I removing the transistor and check it separately. This is the transistor, this is base, collector, emitter. The 3 points are in the transistor. See, base to collector is showing, base to emitter is showing, and opposite direction is also showing. See, all points are to be showing resistance. Okay, now this transistor is shorted. Okay, for that purpose the fuse is blown. Okay, the number is 2499, and we replace the transistor and fuse. Okay, now I remove the transistor and the fuse is to be changed, and check the board whether it is okay or not. Okay, now I connection the wires, supply wires are connected to the phase and neutral of the board. And very carefully you must do the work in this TV. Here is the LOT cap is there, and when in on position, here is 25,000 voltage is getting. See here, when the set is oscillated, the papers of piece papers are thrown out. Okay, now it is oscillating. Okay, we can put the board to the